Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. SOLIDWORKS does not offer any solution for automatically generating 2D or 3D points on a series of curves or continuous surfaces. We're going to see how CreatePoints meets this need perfectly. Let's start by correcting points on curves. I can select edges of bodies and 2D or 3D sketch curves at the same time. The points can be distributed uniformly, or I can set constant or variable spacing. The number of points is calculated automatically by clicking on max. It is also possible to check the start and end point. I am choosing to create the points in SOLIDWORKS and to export the coordinates in an Excel file. An export file and a 3D sketch are created. Let's now move to the surface example. I choose a distribution by projecting a grid on these three surfaces. I'm selecting a start point and my two grid directions. I specify a spacing for both directions. I choose plane L in direction 1. Then I choose plane F in direction 2. I set the spacing for 20 for both directions. The symmetrical button is used to create points on each side. The max button allows me to automatically calculate the number of points up to the borders. I want to ignore holes when creating points. I'm choosing to create points in SOLIDWORKS and to export the coordinates in an Excel file.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.